Hey JavaScript enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the incredibly useful Array.prototype.join method. This method is a game changer when you need to convert an array's elements into a single, coherent string. It's super important for displaying data, formatting output, or preparing collections of items for specific string-based inputs. When you call join on an array, it systematically iterates through each element within that array. By default, if no argument is provided, it uses a comma to separate these elements in the resulting string. However, the true power comes when you supply an optional string argument. This acts as a separator, which join will meticulously insert between every element as it concatenates them. Essentially, it transforms an array of distinct items into one continuous string, with your chosen delimiter elegantly placed at each junction. If any array element is null or undefined, it's gracefully converted to an empty string before being included in the join process. You can use this. You'll find join indispensable for tasks like generating clean URL slugs from an array of words, creating neatly formatted lists for display in a user interface, or constructing query parameters for API requests from an array of key-value pairs. Let's dive into the implementation. First, we begin by declaring a constant array named colors, holding three string elements red, green, and blue. This array represents our input data, a collection of items we intend to combine into a single string. Then, here, we invoke the join method on our colors array, passing a hyphen as the separator argument. This tells join to concatenate all array elements, inserting the hyphen between each to form a single string. Then, this line uses console.log to display the value stored in the color string variable. This allows us to observe the immediate output of the join operation, verifying how the array elements were successfully transformed. Finally, the output red, green, blue is clearly visible. This result confirms that join successfully concatenated red, green, and blue, using the hyphen as the specified separator between each original array element. If you found this detailed walkthrough of Array.prototype.join helpful, please smash that like button. Your support means a lot. And don't forget to comment below which JavaScript method you'd love to see explained in our next video. I'm always looking for your suggestions.